Hello everyone, my name is Lloyd. In today's series, we are going to look into how to integrate HPE Storeonce with Veeam. Before we jump into some configurations, how to integrate, let's look into the scenarios that we're going to set up. So what I have right now here is two data centers, primary data centers and DR data centers. And on both sides, I will have HPE Storeonce. Right? For easy identifications, I will put HPE Storeonce 1 at the primary data centers and then HPE Storeonce 2 at the DR data centers. On both appliances, I will configure 3 store to put different backup data. Now let's jump into how to do integrations. But before that, you need to make sure that you already pre-configure the appliance, so then we can do integrations. Let's switch over to the demo environments. So what I have here is a Veeam version 10. I'm going to add HPE Storeonce as a backup repositories. Okay, so I put Storeonce 1. Okay, to represent this is the primary data centers. Put the IP address of the appliance and also provide the credentials. If this particular appliance is a fiber channel connections, then you can just select FC. Select your gateways which nearest to this particular appliance. Click next, select your catalyst store. Click next, and you can leave the default settings or you can make some modification as well. If no, then you can click next until the end. So what I did just now is I added Storeonce 1, but I forgot to put the locations, right? So it's very important that you added the proper locations for easy identifications, right? Especially when you configure a backup policy, you need to select the correct appliance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the settings and put the location as well. So I'm going to put site 1. So now it's already successful added HPE Storeonce 1, which is located at primary data centers. The next step is we are going to add the second Storeonce. Repeat the same process. Okay, go to backup repositories, add the DDoS appliance and select HPE Storeonce. So this round we are not going to make the same mistakes. We are going to put Storeonce 2-site 2 to represent DR data centers. Provide the correct credentials and also the IP address as well. Alright, and then make sure later you select the nearest gateways to this particular appliance. Select your catalyst store, which is Storeonce 1. Click next until the end. So we have successfully integrated with 2 HPE Storeonce using Veeam. So now back to the slide. So what we have done just now is we have done some integrations and we have successfully added store 1. Alright. So if you create multiple store, right, you need to add each of them individual. So that's all for today, and hopefully you have an idea of how to integrate HPE Storeonce with Veeam. Thank you very much and see you next time.